Okay guys, so I'm eating some salty tortilla chips because today, actually tomorrow, I'm actually just warming up right now because I'm getting ready to do the dozen donuts challenge. So it's gonna be me, Crosby, and Bryce, my brother, and we're actually gonna all race and eat a dozen donuts. So we're gonna get 3 dozen donuts at Pick and Save, and we're gonna see whoever eats it the fastest or who eats the most will be the champion of this food challenge. So I'm just letting you know guys, I'm getting my salt in now so I can wake up craving that sugar. In no time, I'll be the champ. We're gonna head over to Pick and Save, get these donuts. Bryce is bringing along. He actually worked at Pick and Save before, so he knows all the tricks to get these donuts for cheap. So you know, we're just gonna get her done. Hopefully they have enough donuts because, I mean, 3 dozen. 36 donuts is a lot of donuts for something to have, and especially because it's Pick and Save. I don't know, but I mean, we'll see. Hopefully. Gentlemen, we got our donuts. Show them the boxes. Just lift them up a little bit. Guys, these are stacked. Okay, 36 Long Johns. 36 freaking Long Johns. Let's do it. Ho, ho, ho. It's donut time. Okay, guys, so this donut eating competition, this is... Guys, so we got the donut eating competition. We're gonna begin here. So guys, this is like kind of like a time thing, and also who can finish like the most. We're gonna like put all the stats at the end and everything. So we're gonna see who can beat this challenge. These donuts look so good. We got an assortment of sprinkles, of vanilla, and chocolate. So this is gonna be really exciting. 3, 2, 1, go.
Slowness is the key.
You gotta go quick.
It's gonna take a lot longer than I was thinking.
Yeah, it shouldn't take a little bit. So Bryce is only halfway done with his first, and me and Crosby are on our second. Dude, I remember the last time having a chocolate Long John. So guys, this is the nutrition facts right here. We'll put the label right here. This is all the facts of the sugar, calories, and fat. So Bryce isn't even done with his first yet.
Almost off my first. Number 1, baby. I don't know why we did donuts are a lot more filling than I was expecting. Then you peer pressure.
So this is number 6. This is half a dozen, boys.
We call out.
Steve will do it.
He's not gonna do this.
36 donuts, Steve.
Yo, Steve, no. A dozen donuts. We'll do it with you.
He's actually talking to him. You're actually talking to him, Bryce.
Dude, Steve is there. Steve will do it. That Instagram guy. I'm watching him. He's watching me right now. We're making a connection up here. We're gonna have this thing. Steve, hit me up. My Instagram is right there. Hit me up. Say, listen, let's do the dozen donut challenge. I got like 12.
If you guys want to see this video, go to Bryce's channel. It'll be up next month.
Dude, all my videos are out before yours. All your vacation ones. Mount Rushmore is not as big as you think.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Dude, I just want to tap out.
Go. Do it. Oh, sorry.
Turn this off.
Do it.
I have all these left. Guys, I don't think I have a choice, to be honest. There's no way. I don't think I deserve to be the rightful champion.
Yeah, you do.
Wow.
I'm tapping out. Tapping out.
How many? Bryce, you literally just have to
At
pass
6.
That's all you have to do is pass him now.
Okay guys, so actually, we got Waldo here too. We actually got him back. I still have to edit the 2 videos, guys. We got so much things have happened with Waldo and everything while I was gone at Fargo. But guys, Waldo is back. He is safe, and it's awesome.
Donut eating competition.
That's true.
You just tap out now, so I want to use this. He's gonna make himself puke.
No, is he really?
Yeah.
Guys, Bryce is gonna make himself puke. That's so cheating.
Does that not count?
Bryce, are you actually gonna throw up?
Yeah. Isn't that
Bring my phone and get the Rocky music. Get the Rocky music. Get down here, Crosby. Hey, bring it. Bring another donut and bring my donut.
Bryce is gonna make himself throw up! Oh my god! Ah! He's actually gonna make himself throw up! Oh my god! Oh my god! He actually, Crosby, he actually made himself throw up! This dude, no way!
Do I look like I'm gonna back down?
Guys, Bryce needs to eat one more donut to be tied with me and Crosby. I think he's gonna lose.
I don't know. I really don't have enough time.
Do you accept you lose?
I lost the challenge, guys. That means I have to do something.
Oh my gosh. It's final, guys. Me and Crosby are the champions. We tied, and Bryce lost, even though he just threw his brains out. This has been an amazing challenge, but we're not done yet.
I'll do it. Tape. Give it to me. I want to do it.
Bust down on the gang. Blue face, baby. Yeah, I'm every woman's fantasy.
Oh, yes.
Oh.
Look at that.
Oh. Put it across my
That's what happens when you lose, boy.
Wait, put it.
Good.
All right, guys. So right now I have to do a flip on the trampoline. So this is what I'm wearing. Please, I hope you enjoy.
You can't even get in the door.
Bon voyage, bon voyage, babies.
Oh!
Oh.
You did it. Holy crap, they stayed on. His donut nipples stayed on. Atta boy. Eat the donut. Take a bite of the donut.
What's going on? Back at it again with another Cayden Henschel YouTube video. The best vlogger out here, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, so that was a donut eating competition. So me and Crosby both ended up eating 6 donuts, and Bryce either ate 5 or 5.5. But anyways, that was super crazy. If you guys want to see more of these like food challenges with my friends and everything, just let me guys know. Let me know what you feel about this. Tell me how stupid we are in the comments. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.